yeah, they're just running their mouth. Cause Zydeco is what I love, and I was sitting here to teach the world. You wanna see how it's really done? Then tell me, baby, are you ready to learn? Are you ready? Are you ready to learn? Are you ready to learn? Are you ready to learn? You see, they try with some lie, but they still don't know.
They think they're ready, but they're not. They think they're ready, but they're not. They think they're ready, but they're not. They think they're ready, but they're not.
For years I've let people talk without ever really saying a word. They said what they want, said what they like, but now I think it's my turn. Cause most people think they know, but they really don't have a clue about what's Zydeco and what's it really about. But get ready, cause I'm about to show you. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? See, some try and some lie, but they still don't know.
1, 2, 3, 4.